Okay, we are unboxing the FX4 Scooter. Let's see the installation and the assembling. One charger, toolkit, basket for the front basket, battery, full of so we just open the seat. Alright, so first thing you have to make sure when you install the handlebar, you push this one, it like this, and then push the other side. This one comes out, and then if it is like turning around without the tires, the tire rotation is like other side and opposite, so you have to make sure it is straight and then close this one. When you push it, it will just lock itself. After that, you have to tighten these screws well to do not allow the handlebar turn itself. Right now you can see the tires are turning with the handlebar. Right, the second thing, you have to make sure that these brake holders are if they are loose, you have to just tighten this screw right up here. It's under the brake. You have to just tie it well to not moving around, then you can use the brake safety. Right, the handlebar is adjustable. You can just see right here, you have to open this one and then you can pull up. There are levels that which one you would like to until number 1, but however you feel comfortable and straight whenever you sit on it, then you can just lock it. Okay, battery comes with 2 keys to lock your battery for security purpose. And first, if you do like this, you completely lock your battery and it's not gonna come out. But when you turn the other side and then little bit you have to pull it strongly, then the battery comes out by itself. And there is a button that it shows that it charged, like fully charged. You will see the green lights. That means your battery is working when you press on. And the second thing, when you put on the battery on the scooter, you have to make sure you turn it on, then it will just give the lights to the screen. And now I'm just gonna put back and then lock it. First you push it front and then you will hear the clicking sound. That means it's locked. Okay, when you get the scooter and you put on the battery but there's no power on the screen, and you turn on the key but there's nothing, the reason you have to make sure you turn it on this position, which is just a line. You have to put on the line, and then when you turn on the key you will see the light. Okay, this is how we keep the brakes system on when you are up on the hill or down on the hill. If you would like to release that, you can just pull it and then leave it. It will just release the brake. This button is helping you to just change the way that you go front or rear. First you turn on the key. If you see the button is little bit popping up out, that means you go front. But if you push it a little bit and then it's closer to this main place, that means you go rear, you go back. And then this is also horn. These are the materials that you can just install or assemble your front back, and these are the parts. If you would like to just use this kind of tapes to this side, not scratching your handlebar, like I stick one and I'm just gonna stick one more for you to show you how to do that. You just pull out you can put the tape right here, and then it's gonna just stick inside of the hole, or you can just, yeah. After that, you're gonna use right here. Okay, first you have to hold it like this and then make sure it's straight. Then you put these two parts together and use the screws. Alright, after assembling this one, the holder of the basket, make sure that it is unlocked position right here. This is locked, this is unlocked, and then put from the top first. You can push a little bit down. After that, just lock it. Now it's not gonna move. Alright, after that you will see these two spare parts that you don't know where to go. So you can just open this side and put those inside of the bag, and then you can just close one more like this, and then the other side as well. Like this. Alright. So these are helping your bag to be staying straight, not pulling out. Okay, now I'm just gonna show you how to just fold the seat. You have to pull this red button and then it goes down by itself, then you close the seat. If you want to just open back, just pull it up. If you just click by itself, lock itself. You see that? Okay, the charger comes with two pieces. You have to put the right piece right here. After that, you can just charge your battery when the scooter is with you, or you can take out the battery and charge the same way as well, but you have to plug in right here and then put this one, plug in your power, then it's gonna be charged.